Let me show you how to make these delicious molletes, which are like a Mexican open-faced sandwich. I'm topping these plant-based molletes with spicy crumbled tofu, refried black beans, salsa fresca, and cilantro crema. Let's start preparing the bread. I'm using bolillos, which are a type of Mexican roll. Brush them with a little oil. Heat a griddle and place the bread cut side down. Once nice and browned, rub with a piece of garlic. For our plant-based protein, we'll simply heat Nasoya Plantspired, Zesty, Mexican-style superfood skillet in a sauté pan. Sauté until slightly caramelized and then stir in cilantro. Now let's put the molletes together. Take your warm refried beans and a mixture of grated cheeses. Spread a thin layer of the refried beans on the bread and sprinkle with cheese. Place it under the broiler to melt the cheese. Top with a spoonful of our Mexican-style plant-inspired superfood skillet. Then add a little salsa. I have a cherry tomato pico de gallo here. Finally, finish with a drizzle of cilantro crema and cilantro leaves. You'll love this protein-packed plant-based twist on a Mexican classic.